Oh, yeah, morning guys. I'm going on a boat, man. Let's go. We rented the boat. Let's go.
Hold on, don't get on yet. Don't get on yet.
There we go.
First one.
That's how you do it, bro.
Nice fish.
Lead them up, huh? Lead them and throw them in the cooler.
Let's go.
How heavy is it are you using?
Yep.
Hey, number 2. Let's go. Number 2. One over there too.
Ooh.
Oh, oyster. Oh, oyster. That's a keeper too.
Hey, we don't want to touch it?
Nope. Thanks.
Oyster.
Right at the lip, bro.
Andy loves those things. Ada loves those. Oh, that's a nice one.
Let go.
There you go.
Get him.
Yeah.
Get him. Ooh.
Put your ass over here. What you doing, big boy? Huh?
Oh, nice pork chops.
Alright. Stay home. You want to say? Huh?
Drop on the
No, dude. What are you doing?
Oh,
Snack. Someone.
Huh? They don't work. There's no fish here either, right?
Yeah, nice fish. They. Hmm?
Where am I putting this guy? Leave him.
I have shot, bro.
They're gonna fucking destroy that thing.
That's okay.
That thing's like 100 years old.
What is that?
That jig, that fucking pop.
Oh, that's okay.
Whatever's under that, it's fucking flat. Whoa! Catch him. Man, go ahead and top knocker with a fucking.
Ready? Blue? Damn. Get it.
Well, you want them though, right?
Oh, they were just looking at him. They were just looking at him.
We're outside.
Those are the car plates.
Yeah, can you see that?
No, lost it. No, Porgy. No, lost it, bro. Fush.
Okay, that's a good sign.
No, that wasn't the net. He was out of the net a long time ago.
No, that was Jack closing the net.
He didn't open the net. You opened the net? No, he's hissing, bro. You didn't hear it just now? You got him? Shh. Easy. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Go.
Right, line's in, line's in.
Get behind this guy in the boat.
Yep, yep.
I got a fish there.
Nice. Right to eat.
Yeah.
Nice fishy.
Fishy.
What happened there? Someone jumped overboard.
Looks like it.
Eh.
They got a diver in the water. They don't have a diver unless they're practicing.
Now with all that running noise going on, with the lights and curves, they're right behind the boat right in that little, you
Right
see
in
that,
here.
that dead
Right in
area, that dead zone, that's where he was at.
Get him.
Easy, Bobby. Easy. Yo, what the? You trying to pull the plug?
Try to rip him up so I don't have to fucking find
Nah,
him.
you gotta be easy. You gotta set him free again. Like fucking kid bug.
Ciao. Waves, waves. Waves, waves.
Alone. That is definitely a pork chop.
Ooh.
That's a pork chop.
Nice.
That's a fucking pork chop, bro. I knew it the minute he hit it. I was like, this is a big one. He fucking jacked it. He came up and was like, as I was trying to text.
He should have. Obviously, could have seen I was struggling with the anchor.
No, obviously he didn't.
Well, he
fucking retarded. Say something. If he should have said anything, he said, oh, whoa,
Grr.
you got it, bro. Good job. Oh.
Nah, like 10, 11. It's okay. Grr.
Fucking jackass.
It's strong, man.
What?
10.5.
It's 11. It's more than that. What the fuck?
Really, yeah.
What the fuck?
Snapping fish on the deck.
Yeah, 10.5, bro.
That's too small? Nice size.
That's nice.
It's a bit bigger. Yeah.
Fucking chino. You fucking leaving, bro. That's a nice size, because you go to Jersey, it's 12 inches. It's not even 12. Just short of 12?
11.5.
See ya. Yep.
That is a pork chop.
Yeah, that's a nice spot. Chop.
Right here is where they're hitting me, right under the boat.
Ding.
Pork chops and applesauce. You ever had pork chops and applesauce?
No.
Fantastic. Dude, fantastic. Try it.
Every time I have pork chop, it's gonna be either rice and beans.
Try it with the applesauce and apple bean, rice and beans. Seriously, pork chop and applesauce is amazing. Especially if the pork chop is like nicely grilled up. Oh, God.
Net, make the net.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need it now. You try it. A dogfish, never mind. Fuck the net.
Shark, man.
Whoa! Alright, we're in the road. Yeah, we're in just the way.
Alright, bro, relax.
Here, give us some.
Nah, I got it. I'm just gonna fucking choke them out in a minute. As long as
Oh. Got it.
let go. Easy. Oh,
That's nice.
Right here, right in the hole.
nice, man.
I'm not pumping.
Good job.
Nice fish, bro.
Good job.
No, that's my second one. I already real way. It was
Pop that. Shit went.
Yeah, they bought in here, man.
right here, yeah, right on this side.
Yep. Come on.
All right. Well, we need to.
Get him.
We either need to call them and tell them we're gonna be late.
No, yeah, I will do that as well.
Who's got the number?
I got it.
Mighty. I'll do it, Mighty. Get him.
Oh, see? I got it. I got the number.
Whoops.
Ooh, come here, fat boy.
What?
Come here, fat boy. Ooh, fat boy.
Oh, it's not bad.
He's a keeper, but he's not a fat boy.
Yeah.
I was calling him
Oh.
a fat boy. You don't even fit in that category, bro.
Oh,
Beach.
it's not bad.
Throw him back. This guy back, and he's a keeper, no?
Yeah, it's keeper, bro. Yeah, it's big. 11. More than
11.
Yeah. On top of
Sliding out of my hand.
Oh yeah, on there, let's go.
Oh, that's it. What's that? That's what?
Spot.
I'm feeling on your leg.
That's big fish. Big. The same one. Yeah. Make that noise, bro.
No, I'm
Damn.
telling you, they look like baby.
Yo,
Sheep's heads.
take it. Pinfish. They know there's no size of pinfish.
That's a pinfish.
Yeah.
That's what the other one was doing, bro.
Big fish.
Yeah, that's
They make good bait, bro.
fire. See,
That's not a
I
pinfish.
go back.
That's a tear.
Oh.
They're biting.
That's it.
Like an hour, it's on.
Then we move. It's on. Let's get
Bite
it.
is on.
Let's get it. Let's
Get him.
get it.
They biting here, man.
They bite?
Yep.
Yeah, they're biting.
Get him.
I know it's a fucking sea bass.
Sea bass.
Well, that's part of the problem. You probably have to go home.
Man.
That's not our fault. That's fucking.
You guys go home and jerk off. Heaven knows which way the black guys went. They could have been driving around fucking the marina, chasing people's boats.
I didn't even see that.
Yo, this guy was so fucking high. I was like, dude, you need me to move your car? He's like,
Oh, shit, I'm the dog.
get him, Ahmed. Come on, Ahmed, get it. That's a porgy.
No, that's, yeah, small.
That's a porgy. I can tell you it's a porgy just from that bouncing. And I just got taken again.
What do you mean take?
They fucking just took my bait. One shot. Take it. It was like, yo, you're mine. Goodbye. That's it. Fucking let me over. That's exactly what the
Get him, Jay.
Get him.
Fast, yeah. Getting older than right now. Look at this shit.
Get him, Jay. Catch all the bass. The porgy suck everybody out. And the fruit. Nobody's trying to fruit. Have
Those boogies we got.
right here.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright. Question is, how do we take care of this stuff? Kill me or what the fuck is starting?
I can't. I don't know.